It was very entertaining,
They were laughing.
very engaging.
Definitely recommend Dan, especially for those who want something a bit different. I'm Nadine Brody and I work for Metropolitan Memorial Parks as the Organisational Learning Manager, and I thought Dan's content was amazing. He's really engaging. I loved the fact that I could see myself in all 5 monkeys and my family as well as my work colleagues. So really great tips that I will definitely use in my work life and most definitely in my personal life.
And my biggest takeaway from today is that everybody has stresses in their life, and how we manage those stresses is going to impact how we actually address other people within our work and life.
Dan was great in engaging the audience. We have a really mixed bag of employees at our park. They were laughing, they were having a good time. They're coming outside of their comfort zone, which is what we wanted for the day.
Daniel was very engaging. It was very entertaining, the entire experience. I definitely recommend getting Daniel out for other organisations. It really helped put certain things in perspective in a really simple to understand way. I don't think it's only for leaders. I think even frontline staff could really appreciate what Daniel brings.
I would definitely recommend Dan to other organisations, especially for those who want something a bit different and thinking outside the square and being able to also relate to everyday experiences that can really get some useful tips to use and apply to your life.